Bakit pa tayo? Painitin natin yung stage para sa mga idol. Let's go!
Sabihin nyo kaming tumalon.
Let's go!
Magising sa umaga, mukha kong makikita. Pinapagpipigulan, araw ko ay sira na. Nagsisilip
Ano mag-spell ng best?
B E
Ever. Paano mag-spell ng ever? Best like ever. Ay, pwede tayo kumuha ng ano?
You have to scream, I love greeters.
I love pictures!
Good job. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, now let's go. Good job. You just screamed and then you have greeters na. You have mineral water.
Fly out Manila! I'm here to give you the best performance possible!
Wala na, napikon na siya. Good try, good try. Ako naman.
I can't seem to see The Undertaker yet here on my view, but pressure is closing in, and let's just wait for a few seconds as our champion arrives the stage. That's really enough. Is that up for the spear? Let's try that. The Fiend's really crazy with that one. I don't even know how to describe it in words. Oh no! Oh no! That's gonna be a Sister Abigail to Roman Reigns. He's down and out for tonight. Wait, I don't think the Fiend's done yet. What's that? What are we gonna do? Stop it, Fiend! No! No!